Welcome to this brand new training video coming to you from ClickBank Success channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a live email blast campaign, why it works and how you could promote affiliate offers doing email marketing. Okay, now if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. So let's just dive into this video. Affiliate marketing basically means promoting other people's product and making insane amounts of commission. You don't need to build your own website. You don't need your own blog, okay? And you could promote any affiliate offer using the top affiliate networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and any other affiliate. You could also promote your own product, okay? So I'm going to right now blast one email out to my subscribers right in front of your eyes, and I'm going to show you what I done and how I done it and how you could do the same to start making some affiliate commission. So let's get into this video. Okay, so here's one of my autoresponder account is GetResponse. It has approximately just over 7,000 subscribers. All right, so I'm going to go to the report section, all right, and I'm going to see what kind of emails I have sent in the last couple of days. So let's just look into this. So I could see that I have sent this yesterday. All right, so I'm going to send this email out today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this message in a new tab. I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to send this email out to those people who hasn't opened my email. So I'm going to go to email group. And I'm going to put 6 and what was, I'm just going to put a title. Okay, I'm going to go to design messages, and it's very simple down here. I'm just going to go to the blank templates, use a template. Okay, this is called traffic on demand. All right, just drag this text down here. Okay, I'm going to come here, I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste it in here first and then copy it, and then I'm going to come here. All right, come down, let's just do this. All right, okay, so this is done. That's how simple it is. Okay, I'm just going to make this a bit bigger because it's a bit more better. All right, so free SEO traffic. Okay, there you go. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my affiliate link from this link here. Okay, and from the browser you will be able to see what affiliate link I'm promoting. So in this case I'm promoting an affiliate network called Warrior Plus. All right, so I'm just going to come back here, going to highlight this. All right, paste it in here, bold, make it bigger. Okay, so it stands out, make it a bit like this. There you go. I'm gonna come back here and do the same for this, make it bold, make it bigger. All right, and then paste that link in here, and there you go. All right, so I'm going to click on next. I'm going to scroll down and do a preview. If it's looking great, it is. Okay, I'm going to do the perfect timing. So basically this is what it means. We will look at when each recipient opened your message in the past and deliver your email when they are most likely to open it. All right, send a message, and boom, look at this. This email is going to go out to 5,500 people, real people who has opted in to my lead magnet page, similar to this one, who has shown interest in learning how to make money from home. Okay, so either way I promote offers, or either way I give them free value, free gifts that teaches them how to make money online. So how can you do this? This is called traffic on demand. I didn't have to go out there and create a campaign. I didn't have to go out there and pay a network to drive traffic. I already have built a list, and I'm blasting an email out to real quality targeted subscribers who have shown interest in learning how to make money online. Okay, what am I trying to say here? The money is in the list, my friend. You need to build that list. Okay, the good part about this is you just pay money. If you're going to do paid traffic, you just pay the money once. You build that list, then you could repeatedly promote different opportunities, different offers, okay, and make affiliate commissions. That's the good part about this. If you're not building a list, you're just going to start all over again and you don't have a business. Okay, so how do you build that list? It's very simple. First of all, you need a lead a magnet page, a landing page. All right, you could do this for free. You could hire someone. If you have HTML skills, you could build it yourself. It's only a 5-minute job. Or you could use a paid service like Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, etc. I use ClickFunnels. If you do want to check out ClickFunnels, the links are going to be in the description box below this video. When you go below this video, the step one you want to take is first click this red subscribe button, because by clicking this red subscribe button and clicking the notification bell, you will get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. My channel is all about how to make money online, working from home, job opportunities, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, lead generation, campaign creation, and how to build a successful 6 and 7 figure internet business from scratch from the comfort of your home. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button, where you're going to find this below the video or anywhere on this page. Just click the red subscribe button and click that notification bell. That's step one. Step two, you're going to see a description like this. You want to click on this show more button, and when you click on this show more button, it's going to open up the whole description, and you're going to find a couple of links. Some of the links are going to be there for you for tools and resources for you to join and build landing pages if you want to. Okay, and you're going to find a link to the traffic source as well, a traffic source that will allow you to instantly start building a list, start building subscribers rapidly fast. Now remember one thing, okay, in the beginning you might not make any money. Okay, that's how the process works. Be ready to lose a bit of money, but once you start building your list and start growing your list, you go to 5,000 subscribers. The magic number is 10,000 subscribers. Once you get to 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, you're going to have enough money to reinvest to grow your list more and more. So take it from 10,000 to 15,000, 15 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 100,000 subscribers. And the bigger list you have, the more money potentially you could make. I know one internet marketer who was crushing all the leaderboards on all the opportunities. And when I looked last time, he had a list of 555,000 subscribers. I know another internet marketer who had a list of 800,000 subscribers, and he was earning millions and millions of dollars online. The money is in the list, my friend. You need to keep on buying traffic. If you create a never giving up attitude, you will never fail. Persistent is the key to success. So when you buy traffic, you're going to buy traffic and you're going to start building a list, right? And in the beginning, be ready. You might not make any money. Don't worry about that. Your focus is list building. Just keep on building that list and growing that list, because once you get to 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, you're going to start seeing money coming into your account if you do everything the way it's supposed to be done. All right, so never ever give up. Just keep on buying traffic, buying traffic, buying traffic until you get to at least 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, and don't give up. Persistent is the key to success. You could do it for free traffic and paid traffic. I recommend paid traffic, because with paid traffic, you could start building a list instantly and start testing different offers and different opportunities. If you go to my YouTube channel, all right, if you go to my YouTube channel, let me show you my YouTube channel. Okay, if you just go to my YouTube channel, I have a complete video on traffic tutorial that you could watch that teaches you how to start getting traffic. So if you go to my YouTube channel called ClickBank Success, I just uploaded a video 5 days ago. Okay, it's called about Udemy, and in this video I'm talking about how to find real buyers. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have a complete tutorial on this. All right, how to find real buyers on Udemy. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to find a video called Solo Ads for Affiliate Marketers, and in there I walk you through on how to find quality buyers on Udemy so you could start getting traffic and you could start building a list. In the description box below this video, you're also going to find another traffic network, which is a very high quality traffic source that you could use to start building a list. Okay, so step one, you need a landing page. Step two, you will need an autoresponder. You could use free autoresponders as well. I use Aweber, I use GetResponse. You could use any of these. If you're a beginner as an affiliate marketer and you're getting started with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you get started with GetResponse for now, because Aweber has made some changes and they have made it a bit hard for beginners. So please get started with GetResponse. Also for the GetResponse trial, if you want to get started with GetResponse, you could either go directly to getresponse.com or you could join through my link in the description box below this video. It's up to you. The links are all going to be in the description box below this video. So that's step two. Step three is you need to start getting traffic. Now, the best traffic source, in my opinion, is PPC traffic, getting it from Google, Bing, and Facebook. But as a beginner, when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, it's quite hard to get traffic from these kind of networks. You need a bit of experience. You need how to scale your business. So the best way to drive traffic is solo ads, and solo ad traffic is one of the network that I recommend is called Udemy. Links in the description box below this video. Make sure to check it out. Okay, so that's all for now. This is a very short video just to inspire you and show you what's working right now, and this has been working for years. All the top gurus, all the 7-figure and 8-figure gurus that you're seeing on the internet, they are making all the majority of their money from a list that they have. You see all these competition and contests, people are winning the contest. It's all coming from the list. So if you're still not building a list, you are missing out big time, my friend. So you need to build a list. This is very important. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video. If you still haven't smashed the red subscribe button, make sure you do so. Give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And if you have questions, just leave a comment. Okay, see you in the next video.